Hi guys, check this back with another video. Today we're doing a door. We're gonna be taking this door handle off, and I don't know if I know how to do it, but we'll figure it out as we go. So yeah, I think you gotta do it in there as well. Right, that's that door handle. So let's go like that. I do not have a clue what I'm doing, so just bear with me. Right, I might need to go get the screwdriver. I have no clue what I am doing. So I don't know if I'm doing this right. I'll undo it from the back. Can't get to it. So just it's only got two. Oh, there we go, got one out. So there's a little screw in the side of it you need to put in. And I dropped the thing, I can't find it. There we go. And you got that cover. Now if you want to buy it on my Facebook Marketplace. I don't know what I'm going to list it as, but if you find it, buy it. This is also like an update on the door, on the things, with it done. And we also got some hinges on it. We're using them as brackets right now. I don't know if I did a very good job, but you tell me. We'll do that door now, get these hinges up. We'll see you in the next video.